Guys, welcome back to the Lion. There is one announcement. This is our Telegram channel at the rate the Lion, THELAWION. Please join for more updates. So we are dealing with the first major topic from the family law, that is Hindu joint family system, out of which we are done with the first topic, that is Mitakshara and Dayabhaga, two schools of Hinduism. So in last three lectures and videos we are done with the Mitakshara and Dayabhaga. Today we are about to start a new topic and a new concept, that is co-parsonary. So when we consider the unwritten Hindu law, there are two concepts which are very much important. First is joint Hindu family and second is co-parsonary. These two concepts are also important in written Hindu law, but before that, before the Britishers came to India, there also these two things were highly important. So let's get started with the topic of the day, that is Hindu joint family and co-parsonary. So what is Hindu joint family? If we go on by a definition, then Hindu joint family is a family which is consist of a joint estate, a food and a worship. A family which have these three fundamentals, that is a joint estate, a food and a worship, they'll be called as a joint Hindu family. So in a layman's language, what we can say, the family who prays together, who eats together is a joint Hindu family. So of course they will hold the joint estate. So joint Hindu family consists of, so who are the members or who are the people in the joint Hindu family? So there is no bar as such. Every person from a small age to a very old age, everyone is a part of a Hindu joint family. That's why we can say it consists of all person and अनलिमिटेड लीनिएज. अनलिमिटेड लीनिएज का मतलब ये है कि फ्रॉम ग्रेट 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 ग्रैंडफादर से लेके ग्रेट 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 ग्रैंडसन तक सब लोग कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली. व्हाट इज जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली? ऐसी फैमिली जिसमें जॉइंट स्टेट है, जो लोग खाना खाना साथ में खाते हैं और जो पूजा साथ में करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली. और इसके मेंबर्स या ये क्या क्या कंसिस्ट करता है? So all members from the family they will be here and unlimited lineage. So unlimited पुरखों से लेके आज के बच्चों तक सब इसमें involved होंगे. So in other terms, what is Hindu joint family? Joint estate, food और worship, ये इस joint Hindu family के तीन स्तंभ है. ठीक है, तो बस ये याद रखना. ये अमिताभ बच्चन है मोहब्बतें मूवी से, और वो बोलते हैं परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा और अनुशासन, ये इस गुरुकुल के तीन स्तंभ है. लेकिन हम तो हिंदू लॉ पढ़ रहे हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर, जॉइंट स्टेट, फूड एंड वर्शिप, ये इस जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली के तीन स्तंभ है. सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू अ टाइप ऑफ फैमिली. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट टाइप इज मेन फैमिली. व्हाट इज मेन फैमिली? So there is a head of the family. This is a picture from हम साथ साथ है, बाबूजी और उनकी पत्नी, and they have three sons and a daughter. So first son and his son, that means first son and grandson of बाबूजी, second son and grandson of बाबूजी, daughter of बाबूजी, and third son of बाबूजी and his son. So these all together form a main family. That means a head of the family, his son, his grandson, his great grandson, any number of people we have seen, है ना, unlimited lineage and any number of people forms the joint Hindu family, or these all people all together forms a main family. In between this main family, these are separate families. Okay, family of बड़ा बेटा, it will be called as a branch family. Okay, so हम ये we refer this thing, हम लोग ये रेफर करते हैं कि घर के जो बूढ़े होते हैं उनको हम पेड़ की वृक्ष की जो शाखा, इंपॉर्टेंट शाखा बोलते हैं, और बाकी जो होते हैं वो उसके ब्रांचेस होते हैं, हम लोग जो होते हैं वो ब्रांचेस होते हैं. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट ब्रांच फैमिली, this is second branch family, and this is third branch family. So in a picture there will be head of the family, his son, his great grandson. These all together will be called as a main family, और इसमें से जो छोटे छोटे सीक्वेंसेस है they will be called as a branch family. ठीक है. So consider a case, what if some of the branch families have separate food and worship. ओके, हमने मूवी देखा है, मूवी में तीनों बेटे के अलग अलग कमरे होते हैं. सो देर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि 3 रूम में 3 अलग अलग खाना बनाते हो या अलग अलग पूजा करते हो, है ना. सो फर्स्ट केस इज दिस. एंड सेकेंड केस, व्हाट इफ दे डोंट हैव अ जॉइंट स्टेट. इफ देर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी, और ऐसी कुछ परिस्थिति है कि इन सब के पास जॉइंट स्टेट नहीं है, तो इन बोथ ऑफ द केस विल दे बी कॉल्ड एज अ joint Hindu family. So just give a thought. Okay, let's move on. Supreme Court in a case said that it is a joint Hindu family. In first case, what if there is a separate worship and food? Chaudhary Ganesh Dutt versus Joas case, court told that even though a family has a separate food and worship, still it is a joint Hindu family. So इसके लिए एग्जाम्पल ये दे सकते हैं कि देखो अभी अगर वी आर लिविंग इन अ सिटी, तो एक सिटी में 2-3 माले की बिल्डिंग होती है. सो एक भाई एक माले पे रहता है, दूसरा दूसरे पे, तीसरा तीसरे पे, ठीक है ना. सो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि 3 फ्लैट्स में या 3 लेवल पे अलग अलग किचन हो और अलग अलग पूजा करने के लिए स्थान हो. सो दैट्स व्हाई court said even though they are eating differently or at different places they are worshipping, still it is a joint family. And in a second case, Ram Narayan Chand versus Purnia Banking Corporation Limited, court said even though people don't have a joint estate family, it will be considered as a joint Hindu family, because the court said, or the example which we can take, if a family is a poor and they are living on a daily wages, so there is a possibility that they won't have at such a joint estate, but they are eating together and they will worship together. At that point of time they will be considered as a joint Hindu family itself. Okay, so मुझे लगता है कि you are clear with this concept of joint Hindu family and its 3 principles.